Spice and Konshens' long-awaited music video is finally out.
Texas.
Good body fi spend pon. Girl, me know say you no need no man fi depend pon.
But you have a thing, but you are different from every other man we try. That's why
I wanna spend all my money on you.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. So people, the music video is finally out. It's Spice featuring Konshens and the song is called Pay For It. So it's Pay, number 4 and IT it, right? And people, so far me not light at me feel like this is a it.
Alright. Girl, it give me happiness, and when me make you happy best, and then me take away your stress, and then me grant your request.
me like what
So Spice shared the video on her Instagram and she said the first Grace I get featured in her music video. So you know the difference between Spice and Grace, right? Grace are the classy one, the one with full of elegance.
I wanna spend all my money on you. Show you some love, cause I want to. I know you got pride, but make me come through. This time I'll take.
So people, more often want to think about that one here. The people that want to see the music video in full already want to think this is a hit or what? Because I definitely think so that one here go get some play. You see what I say? And the music video nice as well. You see what I say? Well colorful. It have the storytelling thing to it. You see me? And the nicest part of the video, I'm going to show you in a second. The nicest part to me. You see me? But people, I love how Spice a flow upon that one, you know what I mean? The rhymes them well tight, she don't miss a beat. And you know, say Konshens a do theme thing as well. You see what I say? And Konshens is a hit maker, Spice is a hit maker. It two of them look like them have chemistry. First time them a work together. You see what I say? So we definitely see what them can do. Hopefully, we get some more from them. And people no can't left out Russian. We can't left out Russian because a Russian make the song and produce the song. You see what I say? And I know say them man they are hit maker. Only Shensia song, only other song him deal with. Vibes Cut. You don't know the thing, you see me? So people made us all show the last part of the video and then me go so boom and show you another video with Spice. So check this out.
Hold on a minute. Where's this bus going?
Half a tree.
Half a tree. Oh my God.
Half a tree. So long you then at the bus and you don't know which part you are going to get.
I took the wrong bus. Can you let me out, please? Oh. Man, me a little girl.
You know, hear that Gracie look man in a bus. So people, I have another video for showing you with Spice. Then me have another little story at the end. So Spice has celebrate her friend birthday. So me I say one of her friend from Love and Hip Hop. I don't know Spice do for her thing already. So me I say I be her vibe. She gonna make her friend feel special, and that's exactly what she did. So take a look at this video. Here goes.
Okay, guys, hold up. I have an announcement to make. Hold up, hold up. I have a quick announcement to make.
What's the announcement?
I have an announcement to make. What's the announcement? It's somebody's birthday! Happy birthday, Carly! Happy birthday to ya! Happy birthday to ya! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to ya! Happy birthday to ya! Happy birthday! Hip hip! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Oh, y'all make me cry. Happy birthday, Cardi. But I just came on live. So guys, I'm here with my friends. We just shut down the whole restaurant. Hold on. Yeah. It cost me a lot of money to shut down this restaurant. Yeah. Right. Free private restaurant. No cap.
I flew everybody in. I flew everybody to ATL. And you know it's cold, so we all got tested right before we walked in. She paid for everybody to get tested right before we walked in.
She lit. She lit. Sierra paid the bill.
The man paid the bill.
Don't ever do that.
The man paid the bill. Thank you so much, Eric. I appreciate it.
But we just went to say happy birthday to Carly. We love you.
Shut down the restaurant. Pow. Shut down the restaurant. Ow.
We're outside.
See money?
Yeah, so big up the queen of the dancehall one more time. I mean, know what some people feel about that title whenever I call her the queen of the dancehall, but you know what I mean, I just my queen of the dancehall, that everybody can have them own queen of the dancehall or who they think is worthy, right? So people may have another little story, but I want to have a very touchy topic, especially because it's just open-ended and there's no kind of like, you know what I mean, we don't know if I true from a seat, me not see nothing more about it. You saw me and say, but me just I go mention it said way. Me not telling her like this happen or this not happen. What me can tell you said was somebody send it to Dear Dream and this is what they sent and them say, I'd may ID Dear Dream. A female dancehall artist in Atlanta was rushed to the hospital for what is an apparent suicide attempt. Now no we have to style up the word because we don't know them platform your work, right? But people, first of all, I would have said this is not true. You see what I say? Because from a seat yesterday, I don't hear nothing more, I don't see nothing about it. But I don't know why somebody would have been just that mischievous and sending something like this, even though at the internet and people do stuff like that. So, I see this from yesterday doing it, but I never did say nothing. And then I see some indicator, point, and people say a Jada them a talk about. Now, if you go up on Jada page, she have her profile picture dark out, and people even say that's more sign. You know what I mean? People in the comment section all about that say, hopefully you're not Jada. And so, you know, personally, I don't know. You see me, I say she hasn't been online ever since she did that live, but her manager, I'm telling about her manager, a robber, when I see she come back online. But last time when she did that live, she was in LA, so we don't know if she's still there at LA. You saw me, I say that was about 3 days ago or what. So I would hope this is not true. You saw me, I say people, I would hope say, you know what I mean, definitely I'm not Jada. And also, if I anybody else are not true, I hope say them alright, because it's a attempt, right? But people just leave it there, so stay safe, big up on yourself, thanks for watching.
We got that one in my EP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.